Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is the November compilation. Before we start, we'd really appreciate if you'd like, comment, and subscribe. It'd really help us out. Let's jump into it.
Okay, welcome custodianfile. So what we have here, what we're looking at here are actually five. Those are five Apache Army choppers. This was recorded November, San Fernando Valley, that's just north of Los Angeles, 20 minutes north. It was recorded by a friend of mine. And so the premise, the science is consistent. You take your cell phone, you point it at aircraft, unusual aircraft, and 50-60% or higher, you're going to capture one of these drones, one of these dragons. This is the interpolation. I don't know where these five Apaches were going, what the 411 is. All I know is when you see aircraft like this, you pull your phone out, you're going to get lucky, you're going to capture. And this is what it looks like. Okay, now we're going to go to the video. You can see for yourself in real time what it looks like. Okay, so here's the real video, November 2020. You're going to see the dragon fly by. There it was right there. So incredibly, ridiculously fast. It's amazing that this has even been discovered. I think we're going to see it one more time. But I just want to let you know, anyone could do this. It's not just Marina del Rey, Los Angeles. It's pretty much any airport in the country, or whenever you see unusual aircraft. I've done this consistently. There it is right there. Did you see that? Unbelievable. All right, let's go to the next video. Okay, November 4, image 818. Twin drones, twin dragons. Ostentatious, huh? Look at that. I like it. I like it when they show off and we can see what they really can do. Of course, in real time with the video, it's the blink of an eye. You're lucky if you see one dot on the screen. Very impressive. Not many videos, maybe 3% are twin dragons. What does it all mean? You know what, guys? Also, I think when we look at these images, there's a message. You could assume they're so highly intelligent, nothing is random. Nothing is ricocheting off of anything in a random manner. So my point is, this image we see, let's look at it as a constellation. Okay, so when we see images of these ostentatious drones, and they're not flying in a straight line, again, I think there's some kind of message being communicated, and it could be a message of who they are, where they're from, and somehow we got to decode that image. It's like I say, it's a constellation. We got to figure out where those stars are. I know it's really tricky. It's very entertaining to look at, and it's very complicated, and I'm sure maybe 3, 4, 5 years somebody will accept the challenge and try to take this to the next level. All right, let's go to the next video. Okay, welcome back. November 5, image 914. Same old. LAPD coming in Marina del Rey looking for this drone. This was a lucky image. It flew by. I don't remember if it flew by twice or if there were two drones here, but obviously the image 914. So I believe there were two drones at this point, or I call those twins. That happens about 3% of the time. So it's pretty standard. This one, other than that, a great video. We'll go to the next. Okay, great. November 5, image 138. So what you're looking at here is a nice privilege flyby. This is the Department of Water and Power, or AKA Edison, just a power company. And he doesn't come by too often, but they do ask him to fly by. Why? Because they have really good thermal cameras. They can see heat signatures. So regularly what they do, their job is to fly around power stations and look for transformers that are overheating, and they could repair them before they go critical. So they do ask these power choppers to fly by and look for these drones, because these drones, they do have a heat signature. I have not seen a thermal image yet, but I would assume it looks like tracer bullets. Incredibly fast, probably pretty scary to the pilot, or most pilots. I don't know how some of them haven't panicked yet. But hopefully for 2021, I'm going to get my hands on a thermal flare camera, and I'm going to be showing you those videos. So it's pretty exciting, but that's what this guy's doing. If you have any questions, just ask. We'll go to the next video. Okay, November 10, real quick here, image 941, 942. These are just birds. These are birds. Why am I showing you this? Because I know what birds look like. I want to let you know that I know that. You can easily see them flapping their wings. This is no big deal. So obviously these drones are not birds and not bugs. So this is just FYI. I factor all that stuff in. I have an incredibly heavy science background in my career. All right, let's go to the next video. Okay, November 15, image 743. Here, this is kind of unusual, guys. So this plane flew by. I didn't really know about him until this. He does get tagged by a drone, very fast. But there's something more to this. This plane's worth checking out. ID number N, look at that. N66W, N66W. This plane, there's not a lot on Google, but it looks like he's in the surveillance business. He flies over cities back and forth, north, south, east, west, repeatedly. I've heard it called the serpentine, Zamboni, checkerboard. Surveying, I don't know, what is he looking for? Taking pictures, looking for IPs, Wi-Fi's, who knows? But if you look it up, very interesting. So he's doing a survey and he's getting tagged by a drone. So it's kind of amazing. Two planes, one's doing a recon and the drone's doing his recon. Anyway, let me know what you think. Oh, there's the screenshot from the radar. That's just for that day. And this guy has actually, as I'm recording this, he came by today. Today is December 7. He did the exact same pattern. So just for what it's worth. If anything's unusual flying in the sky, if I see it, I'm going to record it. We'll go to the next. Okay, welcome back. So this video is from my archive. It's from July of 2014. So I discovered these dragons March of 2017. And then I decided to go back and look at old video. So what we have here, what kind of chopper is that offhand? I don't believe it's a Blackhawk. I forget the proper name for it. Flew over the roof, and why did I decide to record it? Well, in 2014, I didn't know what I was recording. So this is a VIP chopper, very VIP. There's the interpolation. I don't really want to mention, because we're talking on levels so high. It serves no purpose to tell you who's in that chopper. But the point is, if you fly over Marina del Rey, you're going to get tagged by this drone. It's as simple as that. No matter who you are on this planet, you will get tagged. So I just want to let you know, July of 2014, what is that, like 2,000 days ago? Amazing. This has been going on a long time. This was recorded with a Sony camcorder 1080. Pretty good video, and I just wanted to just throw that out. Okay, let's go back to the future and get things going. Okay, what do we have here? November 16, image 343. This is the jetty. This is the hot zone. There we go. LAPD drone flew pretty close to it, just kept going. Probably came within less than 100 feet. Less than 100 feet from the chopper. Chopper came in looking for it, but traveling at, look at that, traveling at 2,500 feet a second. He didn't see it coming. He didn't see it leaving. He didn't see it at all. Very lucky video. But a lot of skill involved too. Like I said, if you look at the drone, the drone's 10 inches. If you kind of imagine the helmet of the pilot, it would be almost that size. So that drone is pretty close to that chopper. Certainly close enough where he would have saw the drone and turned around and chased it, and he did not, because he didn't see it because of the speed it's traveling. It's that simple. Let's go to the next. Okay. Oh, okay, here we go. November 20, image 552. So what we have here is the sheriff. We have an interpolation. We caught the drone on the bottom. Fortunately, it's in the frame. And right there to the right, you see 5 images. So those are 5 birds. That is not one bird interpolated moving through time, but that is literally 5 birds with the interpolation on the bottom. The 5 birds did not move very far. How many frames? It's like 8 frames, so 8/60th of a second. It's like 1/10 of a second. There's the video. You can see all 5 of them flapping their wings. There goes the drone, the dragon. That's the sheriff looking for this drone, like everyone else. Let me know. Please remember to subscribe, like, or comment. I need your help. I want to give me some feedback. Let me hear from you. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, and the last one, November 28, image 013. Super clear day. And look how lucky it is here. The fire department was so clear, you can practically see the number of the chopper from here, unit 4. And what you do, you record it, you keep your fingers crossed, and boom. Look at that drone, look at that. Traveling, that's at 12% right there. All of the slowdown are at 12%. Just a super clear day, so I really couldn't ask for more. If I would have zoomed into the chopper, it would have got closer to the drone, but I'd have less frames. So right about there is where I want to keep the camera, and you have the best odds of getting about the best picture. And why is the fire department here? Because of their thermal cameras. They have really good thermal. They can see the heat of a toaster from 3 miles. So they ask for their help. They come in, they do what they can. But what are you going to do? How are you going to catch this drone? You're not. Okay, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Instagram, please go to Custodian Files with an S. I could use your help. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what you want to see. Any particular agency, the Army, the Navy, I could repost it. Just stay in touch and stay safe. I'll talk to you later.